Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the story ship's newest and brightest star, Hornbuckle the robot. He'll be starring in our new space adventure. Oh, Hornbuckle! Hornbuckle! It's time to do the promo. Hornbuckle! Hornbuckle, get out here!
Sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm running a little behind this morning.
Ah, there you are. Good to see you, Hornbuckle. Why don't we get straight to the point? Tell everyone about the new show.
Oh, certainly, sir. My new show is called Hornbuckle Robot to the Stars. Such an exciting new show where I give the skinny all the stars, telling you who's hot and who's not, who's flexing and who's just texting,
Hornbuckle.
and who's got a yacht and who's not.
Hornbuckle, stop! Stop! Not of those kind of stars. The universe stars, space stars.
Oh, that one. About that, sir. I'm a little busy this week with the new show and all the filming and the press interviews and that like that. I'll have to get back to you on that, sir. Oh, it's my agent. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Ta-ta.
Hornbuckle! Hornbuckle, get back here! Hornbuckle! Hornbuckle, get back here!